So let's start by adding ID verification to your Helium Customer Fields form. Here we have a standard form with Helium Customer Fields that has the first name, last name, email, and password. Head on over to the display elements section of the form editor. And at the very bottom, you'll see this HTML block. Simply drag and drop the block where you'd like the ID verification to be placed on your form. I recommend near the very end of your form, but you can choose wherever you'd like. Here you should see some placeholder text. Just click on this block to open up the editor for it. On the left-hand side, you should see this content text area field. And here is where we'll need to get the code from the Real ID documentation. We have a special page here about adding support for Helium Customer Fields. So you'll just scroll down to this step in our directions where it shows this big code block. You can click this button to copy, or you can do it the old school way and select all this code, copy, and then go over here to Helium Customer Fields again on this content field, and then click paste. And you should see the preview change and include this ID verification widget now. Just a note, this button will not be functional. It will not show your custom content from Real ID here or your custom theme. It's just not possible at this time for us to render this customization in Helium itself, but your live form on your website will show your custom content and the button will be functional. So the last step here inside this editor is clicking Save in the top right-hand corner. Voila. Now, one final step for this all to work. You'll need to go to your online store's theme. So under the sales channel section in your Shopify admin, click the themes button. On your current theme, click Customize. And then what you want to do is go over to this small area on the far left-hand side that says App Embeds, and click here and make sure that Helium Fields is enabled. So we just toggle that on, and then also don't forget to click Save, and that's it. So now you have ID verification added to your Helium Customer Fields form. You can use this for special VIP discounts or special wholesale accounts that should require an extra level of verification before they can unlock discounts or wholesale pricing, for example. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are happy to help. Have a great one.